How to start affiliate marketing for beginners. Welcome to this video. Now, if this is your first video you're watching in this training series, first, subscribe to the channel so you can get updates. But also, you're going to want to go and find the playlist because as you can see, and the playlist should be in the link in the description for this video. As you can see, this is, I think, the 8th video in this training series. And so you want to go back and start at video 1 and work your way through. I'm sorry, this is video 9. Work your way up to where we are now. And so we're talking about how to start affiliate marketing if you're new to affiliate marketing. It's a great way to make money online because you don't have to have your own product. You don't have to provide customer service. You don't have to deal with refunds. You don't have to deal with support. You don't have to do any of that. You just promote products and then you earn a commission when a sale is made. And so make sure you go back and watch through all these videos to get caught up to where we are today. And this is what we've covered in those videos. The first video was just an overview of the whole process. We talked about how to choose a niche and how to find offers to promote. And then we talked about how to create your email opt-in page, how to create upsell offers after someone opts in, and then how to create a follow-up email series. And this is what we're talking about when I mention all these things, because this is the simple yet very effective affiliate marketing funnel that we've been using. It all hinges around getting traffic to your email opt-in page. And today, that's what we're talking about. We're going to be talking about traffic, how to get traffic to that email opt-in page. And then once you do that, the rest of the funnel is automated. After someone gives their email opt-in, they'll see the upsell offer 1 where you can make some money, another affiliate product where they can make some money, and then they're going to automatically start getting these follow-up email messages. And so that's why the beauty of this type of marketing funnel is you only have to focus right here. All you have to do is focus on getting traffic to your email opt-in page, or you could have multiple pages that you want to run traffic to, but we're talking today about how to get traffic into your funnel. So if we jump back here, we're going to talk about some free traffic methods and some paid traffic methods. Now, the difference is free traffic, there's no monetary cost. You're not paying money for the traffic, but you are paying usually through your time because it does take more of your time. It can also take longer to see results from free traffic. But, if you don't have money to invest in traffic, then free traffic can be very effective. Paid traffic, on the other hand, is like the name implies, you pay money for that traffic. So you need to have a budget. With paid traffic, there can also be some trial and error. And so you may lose a little money as you refine your traffic source before you start making money. But the nice thing is the traffic starts almost immediately. As soon as you pay for it, it starts coming in. You can, scale up and get as much or as little traffic as you want. And so paid traffic can be very effective, very fast, but there's obviously some risk. So much shorter time, but there is some cost involved. Free traffic, there's lots of different ways to get free traffic. But for our affiliate marketing funnel, one of the best ways is going to be through using social media. Okay, and that could be from Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, TikTok, YouTube, LinkedIn. It doesn't matter. Now you could focus on a couple of them, or you may just want to focus on one of these free traffic sources, really get it working where you're starting to get some traffic, you're starting to get email opt-ins, and once that happens, then maybe add a second and third free traffic source. So YouTube is a tremendous free traffic source, or really any video can be can be a very effective traffic source. The nice thing about YouTube is it is huge, okay? Instagram is definitely big, TikTok is big, Pinterest, Facebook are big, but none are as big as YouTube. So I'm going to put some links in the description box down below for some resources, and these are all the links I'm putting. Yes, they're my affiliate links, but I only promote these because they're services that I purchased myself. and that I use. So if you are interested in learning about how to really not only be successful on YouTube, but be successful very quickly, then I'm going to put a link to this course called YT Marketer. Now, I'm going to warn you, it is not a cheap course, although you are going to be able to buy it at a cheaper price than I paid for it when it first came out. But it was worth every dollar I paid for it. I made all that money back many times over, so I'm not worried about that. But it's a super, super great course about how YouTube really works, how to monetize your channel quickly, so you can earn money from AdSense as well as from affiliate marketing. So, if you look, boom, this is my review on the sales page because I did purchase this. And I purchased pretty much all of the stuff that Chris puts out because it just really, really works well. I think right now I have 4 YouTube channels that are monetized, so I'm making AdSense money and affiliate sales money. I'm focused mostly on 2 channels, but this method does work. And so he's going to show you how to get your YouTube channel monetized quickly so you can make money from AdSense, the ads being shown on. So here's the thing. If you have a YouTube channel and it's not part of AdSense program, YouTube is going to run ads on your video, but you're not going to make any money from it, okay? So you want to get your channel monetized so you can join the AdSense program, and so you can make money from those ads that they're going to run on your video anyway, so why not make some money from those ads? And Chris in here, he shows how, he makes, several $1,000s a month from just one of his channels just from AdSense. I make about $100 to $150 a month from AdSense, but I make about 10 times that or more through the affiliate marketing that I do through my YouTube channels. And so he's also going to talk about how to rank your videos on YouTube. This is super important, and there's definitely some good insider tips here. And then also how you can do affiliate marketing. Because the bulk of your money from YouTube is not going to be from AdSense. That's a nice secondary income. But the bulk of it is actually going to be from affiliate marketing sales. And so YouTube is a tremendous, tremendous free traffic source. And so I'll leave a link down below for YT Marketer if you're interested in going after YouTube as your free traffic source. I don't have any specific recommendations for Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, TikTok, but I'm sure there's lots of training out there that you could follow if you want to use those as your free traffic sources. Now, paid ads, again, if you have some money, if you have a budget, and you're willing to try to get traffic faster, then paid ads can work. Paid traffic can work, and that's mostly through ads, Facebook ads, Bing ads, or Microsoft ads. I should probably add that in because now I think they're primarily called Microsoft ads and not necessarily Bing ads. YouTube ads, solo ads, Click Engine. I'll show you that, explain that in a second. Pinterest has ads. Pretty much all these, social media have ads, and so it's just a matter of finding which ones you want to use. Now, I would encourage you, if you're thinking of starting paid traffic, I didn't put on here Google ads. That's certainly another option. Pinterest ads. They all have ad sources. But if you really want focused traffic that is lower cost, I would encourage you to maybe start with Bing / Microsoft ads for that reason. I'll put a couple links for some trainings down below. One is this called this RIMS series that J.K. Daddle puts out. It stands for Really Helpful Internet Marketing Stuff. And this training just talks all about how to use cheap Microsoft ads, okay? And that's the beauty of Microsoft ads, is that they're very cheap, they're very focused, and the people that tend to use Microsoft or Bing, the Microsoft browser, Bing, they're calling it Edge, the name kind of changes, but the folks that use that as their search engine, they typically tend to have a little more money. They tend to be a little better, a little more well off. So you're not only going to get cheaper traffic, but you're going to get more focused traffic and people that have a little more money to spend. So I'll put a link for this course down below. Another one, if you're thinking about Microsoft ads, that I would really encourage you to look at is this one called Bing Bang Profits. I know it's a little silly, and now again, this is because it focuses on, when Microsoft browser, was Bing, and so Bing ads. Now this is not only a training about Bing ads, but the great thing is it's a software, okay, that finds ads that convert. It'll write the ads for you. It's really actually very, very cool, okay? And so I would encourage you to look at that if you're thinking about getting into Bing ads. Now, if you're looking at YouTube ads, then I would have you go and take a look at this. Again, is a training about YouTube ads, but also a software called Tubematic. And it's really a very cool software because it goes out and it shows you, what your competitors are doing and how you can, actually use their video as your own ad, so you don't have to worry about creating a video for your ad. And it gives you all the stats, how much traffic they're getting, how long the ad has been running. And so it's really, really good YouTube ad training, as well as a very, very cool software to help you be successful with your YouTube ads. And then another paid traffic source that I'll put a link to is called Spectra. Now this is about native ads. So native ads, you see them all the time on websites, right? So if you go to the big websites, whether it's CNN.com, FoxNews.com, ESPN.com, it doesn't matter, and it isn't just the big websites. You'll definitely see them there. And for example, let me pull up so you can see what I'm talking about. Okay, so here we are on CNN.com, just as an example. We're on their home page, and as you scroll down on their home page, there's an ad right here that's a native ad that's not appearing for some reason, but as we keep scrolling, you'll see other examples. And again, this is just on their home page, okay? So here you go. Here's an ad right here in the middle, and this is a native ad right here. This paid partner content, these are native ads. And so, it gets mixed in, and it looks like it's just, content like anything else, right? But and you'll see it also, I guess, if let's just go ahead and maybe pick an article, let it pull up, and as we scroll down, you should see, so, other ads on the side. Now that's more, kind of a banner ad, but right here, this paid content, these are definitely all native ads over here. And so native ads, you see them all the time, and they can be a super effective traffic source as well. And so that's what this product does, called Spectra. It is very, very similar to the Bing Bang Profits and the Tubematic for YouTube. So again, Bing Bang Profits for Bing or Microsoft ads, Tubematic for YouTube ads. Spectra is for native ads. It's a training, so you learn about native ads, how to use them, which native ad providers to go after. But it also is a software that helps you, spy on successful native ads, so you can copy, mimic, etc. successful. So if you're interested in native ads as a paid traffic source, then I would encourage you to come look at Spectra, and I'll leave a link for it in the description box down below. Now, other paid traffic sources, solo ads. Solo ads can work very, very well, especially if you're in the make money online niche. Now, any of these ad sources can work for pretty much any niche, but solo ads are especially good if you're in the make money online niche. And there's different solo ad providers. Here I am, I'm logged into my Udemy account. Udemy is a basically solo ad seller marketplace that brings solo ad sellers and solo ad buyers together. Solo ads are basically where you hire a solo ad seller to send an email to their email list promoting your either offer or your opt-in page. Really is what you want to promote, right? You want to promote your opt-in page. And so a solo ad seller, you can come on here in Udemy, you can go find sellers, you can fine-tune this based on price, you can fine-tune it based on if they've had sales before. The great thing about Udemy is they have a really good built-in click filter so that it really, really reduces the chance that you're going to get bad clicks. You can also see, this person, 75% of people who buy traffic from them end up getting sales. And you can see their reviews. You can go through and click their reviews. So, this person, the green are their positive reviews, and then the red are their negative reviews. And so you can see this seller, now this is promoted, so this is an ad, but you can see over 2,200 reviews, no negative reviews, 75% of them got sales. So, this can be a very good traffic source also if you have money. Again, you need to have, this is a paid traffic source, but it can work very, very well, especially for the make money online niche. And then, Google ads, Pinterest ads, very similar to these others. So, and here's one thing, I guess the final thought I would say, definitely look in the description box down below for links to some of these training and softwares that I've recommended if you're interested in pursuing any of these ad or traffic sources. But the last thing I would say to wrap up is that, a lot of people, they feel like they struggle online because they don't have traffic. And to be honest, that is really not true. There is so much traffic out there. There are literally hundreds of millions and billions of people on the internet every single day. And so there's tons of traffic out there. But you gotta be committed to starting with a traffic source, fine-tuning it. You may not have success right away, so you're going to have to stick with it, fine-tune it, go after it. Again, maybe you're hesitant to make videos, and so you don't want to do YouTube or TikTok. To be honest, I would say I would try to get over that if you can. Now, I put my face on my videos just because I think it's a little more personable. You can make videos on YouTube without your face. You don't have to do that. You can just do screen recording videos where you show the screen or you show websites. You can make videos like that. But video, especially nowadays, is such a huge traffic source. I would encourage you to really think about it. Now, some people, they don't like kind of putting themselves out there on social media, regardless whether it's YouTube, TikTok, Pinterest, Instagram. And so they like to do paid ads because they don't have to put themselves out there. They just need to make an ad, have the ad source, whether it's Bing, Facebook, Pinterest, etc., whoever run it, and then get the traffic coming in, and then fine-tune the traffic and tweak it, and then scale up. And so I hope you found, and so that's really it about traffic. But don't let traffic be your limiting. You overcome that thought. There is tons and tons of traffic out there online. So you'll never have a shortage of traffic. It's just a matter of being persistent and finding the traffic that works for you. So I hope you found this helpful. I hope that you'll go ahead and get started, take action. Don't let fear stop you. Certainly reach out to me if you have questions. But this is a very, very, it's a proven model for making money online. It's a simple model for making money online. You don't need to overcomplicate it. Just set up the simple funnel, get traffic to it, tweak it as you need to, and you will see results. Thanks so much for watching, and I appreciate your time.